those complex environments.
So different companies, different strengths.
Yeah.
But what does this actually mean for, like, someone like me, who isn't building robots for a living?
Right.
Why should I care if a robot can pour a perfect martini or not?
That's the big question, isn't it?
Yeah.
What's the real world impact of all this?
Right.
And honestly, it's potentially huge.
Okay.
Imagine a world where robots could help with everyday tasks.
Okay.
Chores, errands, elder care, even like specialized jobs in dangerous environments.
Okay, now that future sounds pretty appealing.
Right.
No more doing laundry.
Laughy.
But seriously, those are some big what ifs.
They are. And while we're still in the early stages of this whole thing, the pace of progress is accelerating so rapidly.
Yeah.
What seemed like science fiction just a few years ago is quickly becoming reality.
So buckle up.
Yeah.
The robots are coming.
In a way, yes. But I think the more important point is they're already here.
Okay.
And as they become more integrated into our lives, it brings up some important questions.
Like what?
Like, how do we make sure that these robots are safe and reliable?
Safe and reliable. Yeah, that's huge.
Yeah.
Especially when we're talking about robots like interacting with humans
Right.
in our homes and workplaces.
Yeah, it goes beyond just the technical stuff too.
Okay.
Like, how do we teach robots to understand
Yeah.
human emotions?
Right.
How do
Or-
we prevent them from
Yeah.
making biased decisions?
Right.
These are really complex issues
Yeah.
that require engineers and ethicists and even policymakers to work together.
So it's not just about building a better robot.
Right.
It's about designing a better future with robots.
Exactly.
And that brings us back to Tesla's We Robot event and those teleoperated demos.
Yeah.
It felt like they were kind of blurring the lines a little bit, showing off things that weren't quite there yet.
It's an interesting point.
Yeah.
And it speaks to this bigger question in robotics.
Okay.
The balance between showing progress and managing expectations.
Right.
On the one hand, companies want to get people excited,
Sure.
attract investors,
Yeah.
but you also don't want to create unrealistic expectations
Yeah.
or even like mistrust if people feel like they're being misled.
Yeah, because robots have a way of capturing our imaginations, right?
Totally.
We've grown up with all these movies and books
Yeah.
about robots being super intelligent and capable of anything.
Absolutely. And that fascination can be a good and a bad thing.
Okay.
It drives innovation, but it can also create a disconnect
Right.
between